Guys, welcome to my channel The Green Decor, in which we discuss about gardening, sustainability and some creative ideas which is in the harmony with nature. So today I am discussing about Echeveria, which is one of the type of succulents. Let's understand first, succulents are not tropical plants. The beautiful they look and the attractive they look, they are like kind of very high maintenance plants to maintain in our tropical climate. And so initially there was one time I bought around 50 to 60 succulents and cactuses at my home. Then I killed few. Later I realized that we have to be patient in gardening and learn one plant, then you buy new plants, like learn one variety and then we go for another variety. This is how with gardening I develop bit of patience in myself. So coming to Eucheverias are flower shaped plants and they look really pretty, but the thing is they need decent amount of sunlight which is falling on them for 3 to 4 hours to maintain its flower shape. If it doesn't get those particular amount of sunlight, they tend to stretch out their leaves to get increase their surface area so that the more sunlight can fall on it. So the thing is, when they stretch out their leaves, they lose their beautiful flower look and that bunch of flower look. So what happened with me in the early starting of this year, I stretched out my Eucheverias. So instead of throwing it or instead of buying new, what I did, I propagated those Eucheverias from their leaves, and I have like literally decent amount of Eucheverias, and this is 7 months old now, and I have propagated so many Eucheverias. I'm really happy with the result, and I'm using the same Eucheverias for my today's succulent arrangement. So let's arrange first and then we'll talk about propagating Eucheverias. Don't skip the video because what I'm gonna share is really easy peasy kind of technique to propagate it, because I am not one of those very like into gardener. I'm kind of lazy people. Find out the lazy and the easiest way to do it. So let's start. So I've filled the soil with succulent mix. I'm using this old cup. All these Eucheverias which I have used in today's arrangement is from this single plant. This is a plant which was stretched out and I pluck all its leaves and propagated it. So it's really easy. Propagation मार्च में स्टार्ट किया था जब सबसे ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, तो उसके लिए मैंने रेड सोइल क्वांटिटी सब थोड़ी ज़्यादा रखी है सो दैट वाटर ज़्यादा एवापोरेट जल्दी नहीं हो. And just to propagate, just pluck the mature leaf from below, add into the soil this similar, and you can add as many as leaves you want to propagate, but the mature one from mature and healthy one. So this is how I have used and from this plant. I have propagated recently some, I kept few more leaves. For watering, don't water it immediately once you pluck and keep it on a soil. Water after 2 to 3 days once they form a callus over their skin so that it won't rot. And for watering also, I just water not over leaf, I just water on soil thoroughly. So keep this indoors for few days, otherwise they will not survive in the harsh sun. Once it start developing small roots or you see some pub coming out of it, some development, then you can shift it to outside or semi shade where the proper sun is there to maintain its flower shape. So that's the main what I find difficulty in India. The sun is very harsh, or if you keep it indoors they lose their shape, if you keep outdoors they burn. So you have to find a proper place where the sun is not harsh, they get proper sun. And I guess gardening is kind of experiment. I have seen a lot of gardeners videos also. Everyone has their own experiment, their own weather, city, everything does matter. So you have to be a bit vigilant about your surroundings and where are you propagating, from which city. It's humid, it's dry, Hyderabad is very dry and sun is too harsh. So accordingly I have to alter my watering regime versus the someone is in humid climate, maybe not need to water that much. So just gardening is more fun and learning every day. So just stay tuned to my channel and I'll come with more gardening ideas, sustainability videos, and then be creative. Thank you for watching. Bye now.